everyone, myself Bharat Dhruviba. Today's my topic is relationship between Trigun, Panchmahabhut and Tridosh. Mutual relationship between Tridosh and Panchmahabhut. Vayavya Akash Dhatubhya Vayuhu Agneya Pittam Ambah Prithvibhya Sleshma. Relationship between Dosh and Mahabhut. Vat, Vayu and Akash. Pit, Agni and Jal. Kaf, Jal and Prithvi. Mutual relationship between Trigun and Panch Mahabhut. Tatra Sattva Bahulam Akasham. Rajo Bahulo Vayuhu. Sattva Rajo Bahulo Agnihi. Sattva Tamo Bahula Apoha. Tamo Bahula Prithviti. Relationship between Mahabhut and Trigun. Akash, Sattva, Vayu, Rajas, Agni, Sattva and Rajas, Aap, Sattva and Tamas, Prithvi, Tamas. Relationship between Tridosh, Trigun and Mahabhut. Vat Dosh, Mahabhut, Akash and Vayu. Gun, Sattva and Rajas. Pit Dosh, Mahabhut, Agni and Tejas. Gun, Sattva and Rajas. Kaf Dosh, Mahabhut, Prithvi and Aap. Gun, Sattva and Tamas. Thank you.